Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. Today's tutorial is based on how to sign up into your online banking account of Ally Bank. In order to sign up, first of all, make sure that you already have an account. Only then you'll be able to sign up into your online banking account. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up into your online banking account. You make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to follow the instructions correctly. First of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser of your choice, and as you open up your web browser, on the search box you'll have to type in the link, that is www.ally.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. On the other page you will be directed into official site, and on this following page in the top right corner, tap on login. As you do that, there's a drop down menu, and over here you have login interface. So in order to log in, first of all you must have an account, or you must sign up into your online banking account. Only then you'll be provided with the login information. In order to sign up into your online banking account, you'll have to tap on create a profile to manage your account online in the bottom left corner. Once you tap on it, right in center there's a pop-up. So first of all you'll have to select your account type. So you can see there are two different options, so you'll have to select it accordingly. On the other page you will be directed into enrollment page. Out here you can see in the left hand side corner you'll have to provide your account information in order to set up your online access. So for that you can see, first of all you'll have to enter your last name, and after that you'll have to enter your date of birth, and after you're done entering your date of birth, next you'll have to enter your social security number. So the provided information must be related to your bank account, and after you're done entering all your information, tap on continue in the bottom left corner. If the provided information is correct, on the other page you get to create login information that includes your user ID and your password. So once you're done creating your login information, on the other page you will successfully sign up into your online banking account of Ally Bank. So that is how you can sign up into your online banking account. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.